So how do you set a specific ringtone for contacts on your Android? Let me show you exactly how you can achieve this. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So in my phone, I actually have two contacts applications, one from Samsung and the other one is from Google. I like to use the one from Google because it's much more advanced in terms of the features. So if you open up your Google contacts, you will be able to access them the same way as in the other app, with the difference that if I go to any contact right here, I have the ability to change the contact ringtone. So when I tap on this, it's going to give me the ability to pick the way of choosing the ringtone. So I have the set sound picker, which is the default way. I'm going with that one because I also have some third-party app which I downloaded for ringtones, but I'm going to go with the built-in or default one. And this gives me the ability to pick a completely different ringtone for one contact only. So by default, it's going to take the one I have generally set up for my calls, but I can choose something to be completely different or, pick from those which are already part of the phone or however I like it, honestly. So it's really interesting in this sense, right? So yeah, as you can see, I can pick it like that and choose something completely different to be part of my ringtone. So that's something I can definitely do. Let me know if you managed to actually find what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be, but for now, that's going to be about it. And I'll see you later in the future uploads.